Hi, this is Shri Priya Madan from Shrishti Technology Labs. This is the first session for Java for Beginners tutorial. In this session, let me show how to create a Hello World Java application using Eclipse IDE. Open Eclipse from the extracted location. I have got my Eclipse in my desktop. Double click it. Select your preferred location as your workspace. Browse, create a new folder, click OK. Eclipse IDE opens with the welcome screen. Basically, Eclipse can work with different perspectives. The default one is JEE. Let me close the welcome screen. You can see the default perspective Java EE. Since we are going to work in Java, let us change the perspective. To do this, select Window, open perspective, select Java. On one side opens the Package Explorer. This is going to have the details about your project, your packages and your programs. The middle window is the place where you are going to write the Java code. The output will always be shown in the console. For getting the console, go to Window, Show View, Console. You can see the console at the bottom of the IDE. Well, now to create a Java application, go to File, New, Java Project. Here, give the name of your Java project. Let me give the name as Java Project 1. It is being stored in the default location. What is the JRE we are going to use? We are going to use JRE7. You can see two choices being given here. Create separate folders for sources and class files. Use project folder as root for sources and class files. What is the meaning of it? Whether you want to have both the sources and class files in the same folder or you want to keep them in separate folders. Basically, we will be always keeping source in a separate folder and class files in a separate folder. Click Configure Default. By default, all the class files will go and sit inside bin folder. If you want to give a different name, of course you can give that. I am going to maintain the default. Click Apply, select OK. Click Next. You can see that my Java project is shown here. Click Finish. Open Java project. You have got SRC. Basically, whenever you are going to work with Java programs, the first statement in a Java program is going to have package. What exactly is a package? Package is nothing but a folder just like what you are having in your Windows directory. It is better to put your Java programs inside a package. Why? If a Java program is inside a package, it can be very well accessed by the other classes which are sitting in a totally different package. We will be seeing about this stuff in the upcoming sessions. Now let me create a class. Select SRC. SRC is nothing but the source folder within which we are going to write the Java classes. All the Java classes are organized in the form of Java packages. Java packages are Java folders. Select New Java class. Let me give the package name com.test. Com is a folder, test is a folder which is sitting inside com. Let me give the name of the class as Hello World. The class is a public class because it is selected by default. I am going to maintain that. In Java, whatever classes you are going to create are the subclasses of object class. That is, by default, all the classes extend object class. That is given over here. Forget about the interfaces. To run my application, it is mandatory that I need public static void main. JVM will start its execution only from public static void main. Select public static void main, click finish. You can see the package is generated, the public class hello world is created, it is having public static void main. Let me remove this comment. I am going to give a single println statement. I have added a simple println statement which prints hello world. Let me save the file. You can see the icon. Save. Now to run your program, select the file, right click, run as Java application. You can see the output in the console. After printing it, program is getting terminated. Once when you save, automatically the program is getting compiled. Suppose say if I am adding some extra characters, you are getting a compiler error. So the class file is not generated. Once when I delete it and save, automatically the class file is getting generated. But I cannot see any class file in the structure. Where exactly the class files are residing? For this, go to Window, Show View. You can see something called as Navigator. Select it. Navigator is going to have the project structure. Open Navigator, which is having my Java project. Open your Java project. You can see the bin folder. Bin folder is the place where you are going to add the class files. Open bin. You can see hello world.class file being generated here. Let me add some more output. Now I have added one more println statement. I need to save this file so that I will be getting the newly created class file. Now to run the application, you can select your Java class, right click, run as Java application. There is one more way to run it. You are seeing a green button, an arrow next to it. Open that. You have got run as Java application. You can see the output, hello world and welcome to Java. In the next session, let us learn how to declare and initialize variables inside public static void main. What is the meaning of typecasting? Thank you.